Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 camera crashing issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and here click on camera and then scroll down and here click on force stop to force stop the camera app. Now click on OK to confirm and then go to its storage. Now after opening storage, clear the app data and cache memory of camera app. Now click on delete to confirm and then go back and in settings click on general management. Now in general management scroll down and click on reset and here click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm and then enter your lock screen password here.